Looking to enhance the performance of your Frigidaire refrigerator? Look no further than the Wholesale Sensors Replacement for Frigidaire 241608501 Refrigerator Thermistor. This thermistor is designed as a direct replacement for the original part, ensuring a seamless installation process. What sets this replacement apart is its commitment to quality and reliability. With a durable overmold design, it's built to withstand environmental factors and physical wear and tear, promising an extended lifespan and consistent performance. One of the standout features of this replacement thermistor is its compatibility with a range of Frigidaire refrigerator models. This versatility makes it a convenient choice for many users looking to maintain consistent temperatures and prolong the freshness of their stored items. Whether you have a residential or commercial refrigerator, you can trust that this thermistor will help optimize cooling efficiency and temperature control. Backed by a 12-month warranty from Wholesale Sensors, you can purchase with confidence, knowing that your investment is protected. Wholesale Sensors, a trusted USA manufacturer, takes pride in delivering affordable, high-quality OEM replacement parts. Their goal is simple: to provide solutions that save customers time and money while ensuring top-notch performance. In summary, if you're looking to elevate the performance and reliability of your Frigidaire refrigerator, the Wholesale Sensors Replacement for Frigidaire 241608501 Refrigerator Thermistor is a solid choice. Upgrade your refrigerator with confidence, and enjoy the peace of mind that comes with knowing your stored items are kept at optimal freshness. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.